As we continue from left to right, the next tab is the View tab. This tab has 5 sections: Views, Accessibility Checker, Grid and Guides, Zoom, and Publish. The Views tab has 5 options: Story View, Slide Master, and Media Library. Selecting the Story View is a simple way to switch between the Story View and the Slide View. The Slide Master and Feedback Master icons provide you a way to set up layout that can be used across the entire lesson. Selecting the Slide Master icon will open a new window that looks like the Slide View. Instead of seeing the slides that are in the current scene, you can create and edit slide layouts that could be used throughout the entire lesson. Selecting the Feedback Master will do the same thing. But instead of creating and editing a slide layout, you are creating and editing the layouts the learner will see when they correctly or incorrectly answer a question. The Accessibility Checker will review the lesson and identify any issues related to visual or auditory disabilities that learners may have when taking the lesson. You will then be given the ability to address and correct those issues. Next is the Grid and Gridline section. The ruler checkbox will turn on or off the ruler at the top and left sides of the content area. This ruler is measured in pixels and gives you a quick guide to know an item's location and how it fits on the slide. Selecting the Grid Lines and Guides checkboxes will place and grid on the slide. Having the grid on the screen can assist you in ensure items are aligned and spaced on the slide. The Grid and Guides icon will open a pop-up window and give you the ability to set your parameters for the grid and guidelines appearance. You have the ability to undock or unlock each of the panels surrounding the content area and position them. This will give you the ability to move those panels to another monitor and give yourself a larger content area to work in. The Redock All Windows icon will take all of those windows and return them to the default location surrounding the content area window. The Zoom icon in the Zoom section will open a pop-up window where you can zoom into or out from the slide. There are preset values, or you can enter a desired zoom value. The Fit to Window automatically resizes the slide to the maximum value where the It will appear in the content window. The last section, like on all the other windows, will be the Publish section, and it has all of the same abilities as the other tabs.